In this video, we will show you how to replace your hood bracket on this Chevy Tahoe. You'll have one of these located on each side of your hood. Let's get into it. All right, friends, let's get started on our job. Go ahead and pop the hood and use something to hold it in the upright position. All right, let's make our way over to where the hood spring connects to the hood bracket. On this, you'll find that you have a 13mm headed bolt that comes through, and you have a 13mm nut on the outboard side. Let's remove this. Now let's start removing our mounting bolts that hold the hood bracket to the hood. You'll find that you have 3 of them. We're going to remove 2 out of the 3, leaving the other one still in place. 13mm headed bolt. Now let's move along to removing some of our plastic cowl from this area. We'll use a flat blade screwdriver, come right in here, press it in, give it a quick twist to separate it. Now we'll just make our way around and pop it out of place. Give this a quick inspection and set it aside. Now let's continue on to the hinge bolt right along here. For this, we're going to continue on with our 2 13mm wrenches. At this point, we'll be removing the nut, but leaving the hinge bolt in place. Now at this point, we're going to remove our last mounting bolt that holds the bracket to the hood. Take hold of the hood, because once that bolt is out, it's going to want to pivot down towards the windshield. Now we can remove our hinge bolt and remove the bracket. There it is, friends. Now if you had a second person holding the hood, it might be a little bit easier for you. We'll start in our mounting bolt up along here. Once you've done that, we'll also put in the hinge bolt. Lift that up a little bit. Slide that right on through. Start on that mounting nut. Just get in these other 2 mounting bolts real quick. Now that we have them all started, let's go ahead and snug them up. Now we'll tighten this one. Now it's time to reconnect our hood spring. We'll take this and put it in position. Put your mounting bolt through. Just press that right into position. Start on your mounting nut and snug it up. Let's resecure our trim panel. Get this lined up in the proper position and press it in. All right, at this point, go ahead and slowly close the hood. Make sure it aligns properly. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.